In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use a subject area in a data flow in Oracle Analytics Cloud. I can use a data flow to organize, manipulate, combine, and aggregate data to produce curated datasets. Once I've produced my dataset, I can blend the subject area with other datasets. In this scenario, my organization is launching a marketing campaign and needs reporting based on a new product type rebranding. The trusted revenue and product data is in a governed subject area, and the updated rebranding data is in a separate dataset. I will use a data flow to join them and create a curated dataset for analysis. I'll start on the home page, select Create, and then Data Flow. In the Add Data dialog, I'll search for the subject area I want to include in this data flow. I'll select the Sales Application subject area. Now I'll choose the subject area columns I want. From Revenue Metrics, I'll select Discount Value and Revenue. From Customers, I'll select Customer Segment. And from Products, I'll select Brand and Product Type. Then I'll select Add Selected to add these subject area columns to the data flow. Next, I'll bring my rebranding data. I'll select Add Step, then Add Data. I'll select Dataset, and then Add. When this dataset is added, Oracle Analytics automatically suggests a join using a matching column, which in this case is Product Type. I'll review and confirm the join on Product Type. My rebranding dataset has two columns, Product Type and New Branding. The join combines those columns with the revenue and customer fields from the subject area. Next, I'll select Add Step, then Select Columns. Here, I'll deselect the column with the old branding to avoid duplicates and keep the column that shows the new branding. Now I'll select Add Step again and choose Save Data to create the output dataset. I'll name the output dataset to Subject Area Dataset Blend. Before I run this data flow, I should save it. Now I'll run the data flow to process the data. Once it's complete, I see a notification that the data flow ran successfully. Now I'll locate the output dataset. I'll return to the home page. From the navigator, I'll select Data. Here I can see the output as a new dataset. And from the Data Flows tab, I can also see the data flow I just ran. Now I'll select the output dataset to create a workbook so I can visualize the curated data. To validate the results, I'll drag revenue and the new branding attribute onto the canvas to create a horizontal bar chart, and I can see the data is shown as expected. By using a data flow with a subject area and a dataset, I can create curated datasets that combine governed metrics with the latest business mappings, making analysis faster, more flexible, and easier to reuse. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud in the links below.